Hi everyone. I am going to do some green beans that I picked out of the yard today. So, get some coconut oil. Some coconut oil in there. Just a little bit. Add the green beans. I just picked these a few minutes ago. Add some mushrooms. And you just want to stir fry these real quick. They're going to be crisp tender. And I'm going to add some sesame oil and some sesame seeds and a little bit of soy sauce. We're having chicken legs tonight that I used my peach jalapeno jam, added some soy sauce to it and used that as a glaze, and some fried rice and these green beans. And that is dinner. Just toss these around. I didn't want to dirty my big old wok for this little bit here. Some mushrooms soaked up that coconut oil. See how the green beans are getting darker? These are yummy. And you can cook them as done as you like. If you like really soft green beans, you can blanch them first. Add a little water. That'll help. Oh, I steamed you out. Oops. Green beans overboard. Sorry. There we go. And as soon as this water is gone, I will add a smidge of soy sauce, a smidge of sesame oil, and garnish it with sesame seeds. And that is done. That will be one of our side dishes. Something different. Gotta think of new ways to use our veggies, right? You guys are probably growing way more green beans than I did this year. But next year will be better. So, just a few little tiny bit of the sesame oil. So that's powerful stuff. A splash of soy. That is powerful stuff. It's another car with that loud bass. And that's it. These are done. Ready to go. Add some sesame seeds. you have you a nice flavorful green bean. Whoops. If you can keep them in the pan, don't do like me and throw them everywhere. So there we go. They're done. They're crisp tender. So if you have any questions, post them down below. And if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, please do. And I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye.